कोरोना वायरस के हवाले से बरतानिया में पाकिस्तानी हाई कमिश्नर नफीस ज़करिया ने ओवरसीज पाकिस्तानियों के नाम खुसूसी पैगाम जारी किया है।
उनका कहना है कि मुश्किल की इस घड़ी में मुसीबत ज़दा लोगों के काम आने वाले काबिल तहसीन है। हुकूमत पाकिस्तान कोरोना वायरस के खिलाफ हर मुमकिन इकदाम कर रही है। ओवरसीज पाकिस्तानी बरतानवी हुकूमत की तरफ से जारी करदा हिदायत पर लाजमी अमल करें। मजीद क्या कहा, आइए देखते हैं।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम, अस्सलाम वालेकुम and good morning. As you all know, that the invisible attacker, coronavirus, has brought the entire world to virtual standstill. The disease has taken a huge toll on human lives across the globe. I offer my condolences to the victims' family and pray for everyone's safety. I deeply admire those in medical profession, volunteers and philanthropists for taking care of the people in need of help. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless them. Government of Pakistan took a range of preventive measures soon after the incidence of the disease to prevent it from spreading. The efforts are continuing. Prime Minister Imran Khan is leading the national efforts. The High Commission has taken all necessary steps in accordance with the instructions and guidelines received from the governments of Pakistan and United Kingdom to ensure people's safety. All steps taken can be seen on the High Commission's website www.phclondon.org. I also want to thank the host government and members of Pakistani diaspora, particularly the doctors, for all the support that we are receiving to combat COVID-19. The Foreign Minister of Pakistan, Shahmud Qureshi, has particularly instructed with regard to the welfare and safety of Pakistanis abroad. Rest assured that we are fully cognizant of our responsibility towards our nationals who are stranded here, and efforts are underway for their repatriation to Pakistan as soon as possible. All stranded Pakistanis have been advised to register themselves on email address support@phclondon.org. I am in contact with the British government on a regular basis, as also with the authorities concerned in Pakistan regarding stranded Pakistanis' return to Pakistan. The British government has extended visas until 31st May 2020 for those on visit visas here. We are grateful to them for their generosity. I want to assure you all that your High Commission is here to extend any assistance that you may need, including any difficulty in sustainability during your inevitable stay here, to the best of our ability. I have also written a detailed letter in this regard to the community leaders and to those stranded Pakistanis who have already provided us with their data. I pray for everyone's safety. Fi aman Allah.